Assalamu-Alaikum, my dear viewers. How are you today? This is Naz with Hijabs&You with another quick and easy hijab tutorial. Today we're going to use a rectangular shawl and we're going to put it together very quickly. It's a very simple wrap and just a little bit of deviation from the usual, and this is the look. It's got nice coverage in the front, very nice coverage in the back, and it's simple and easy, and that's my intention, to make it simple and easy for you, quick and easy. Okay, I hope you're all keeping well. Please, my dear viewers, do take care of yourselves. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has given us life, and we have to do our bit to take care of this life. It is our responsibility. We have life. He's given us life, so you and I need to do our bit to take care of what he's given us, and we have to be thankful that he's given us life. So do your bit. Okay, so let's get right into the tutorial. So my dear viewers, let me show you how I got this look. It's beautiful, it's quick, it's easy, and let's put it together. So I've got my rectangular shawl, one side extremely long and the other side is the short side. And what I've done is I folded the scarf a little bit on the inside, and all I'm going to do is put it to the very end of my cap, bring it down here, fold it in, and just give it a safety pin here. And you can use whatever you have. And now what I'm going to do, I'm going to bring this up from the back a bit. I'm going to bring it to the front. I'm going to loosen this. You can use another pin if you want to, but you don't have to. And I'm just going to pin that again. So I've kind of given it two fold on the top, so it looks like really nice and so pretty there. See that? And this here, it's simple. We're just going to do, remember, my intention is to make this very quick and very easy. So with that little fold, I'm going to bring this across, and I'm going to wrap it so I have it sitting in the front. We want coverage. We don't want anything showing. It's a simple, easy wrap. One pin, and that's it. Just making sure my coverage is there, making sure the back is covered and the front is covered. And we've got really nice, it's absolutely gorgeous. It's nice and even in the front. If you want to put pins, you can put pins, but you don't need to. This scarf is a visco scarf, and I'm trying to get these in as much as I can because the fall season is here and we're going to be changing colors and changing fabric. So it's absolutely gorgeous, my dear viewers. We can get a nice coverage in the back as well. It's so beautiful, and we've got full coverage in front, and I'll show you what the back looks like. Absolutely beautiful. What do you think? Quick, easy, just a simple wrap. Absolutely beautiful. What do you think, my dear viewers? I think that was quick and easy and very simple to follow, and it just sits so beautifully, so beautifully. It's a nice wrap. It has a little bit of volume on both sides. You've got your coverage in the back. It looks really pretty. And there you go. Simple and easy. Well, I hope you like that. And if you did like that, please do hit the like button. share it with your friends and family, because my dear viewers, if you share this video and a sister gets the, you know, the desire to put the hijab on, or she gets help with her hijab, or she gets comfort wearing her hijab, you and I would have done our duty. So please do share it. And if you haven't subscribed yet, you know what to do. Hit the subscribe button and click on the bell icon and tick off the all so you won't miss any of my uploads. Until we meet again, please do stay safe. COVID-19 numbers are rising again. They're rising and rising. So you and I both need to do our bit in taking care of ourselves, taking care of our families, taking care of our neighbors. And if we all do our bit, then it will not rise, it will decrease. So please do your bit in staying safe. Until we meet again, this is Naz taking your leave, saying Assalamu Alaikum.